So when we moved into this house, it had this lovely kitchen all fitted. Only thing for us is that behind this cupboard door was a dishwashing machine, which we don't use. So we whipped that out, and inside was just a big hole down to the floor. So I went to B&Q, bought a standard 600 by 600 floor unit, pushed it in, and discovered, oops, it's 2 centimeters taller than the original units. So I took off this door from the integrated dishwashing machine. It was well stuck on, and then I realized there is the name of the makers of these units. It's IKEA. So there we go. IKEA units are 2 centimeters less tall, if that's a good way of putting it, than B&Q units. So what I've done is fitted lay flat hinges and a roller catch there. It means we can hide away the bin and other things, and it fits okay. So from a distance you can't really see it, that it's 2 centimeters taller. So it does the job. We're quite happy.